wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again!
Hi!
Hi.
How are you?
Good. But hold on.
Okay.
You know what I just did?
Yeah.
What?
You held your breath.
I did. You know why?
No.
Because today, it's story time!
Yay!
And today, the story I'm going to tell is called Breathe. So, should I try that again? Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that too, kids? Are you ready to hear about the story of breathing? Ready? Then let's go. Breathe. Mom! I can't sleep. Why not? I don't know. I'm nervous and I can't stop thinking. Do you want me to teach you how to breathe? Breathe? But I already know how to breathe. But have you ever stopped to see how you do it? Where the air comes in and out? If it fills more of your belly or your chest? If you are doing it slowly or quickly? Let's make a paper boat and put it on your belly. A boat? Okay, I can make one. Now, imagine this boat is sailing in the ocean. It goes up when the air fills your tummy as you breathe in. And it goes down as you breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. You are like a wave in the sea. You are not in a rush. Let yourself go and follow the gentle movement, and the rhythm of your breathing will become slower. Now you have worked with the lower part of your lungs, but you can also breathe with the middle part. To fill my chest with air? Yes, you'll see how much comes in. Imagine that you take a balloon in your hands and fill it up. The balloon keeps getting bigger and bigger. Oh, it popped! I'll try again. You can breathe in slowly and imagine that you're smelling a rose, or a lavender, or mint, a pine tree, or the sea, or wet soil after a storm. Try it out at home, kids, too. Did you know that your arms can help you breathe with the upper part of your lungs? Really? Let's try it. Do you want to be a rocket that goes up into the sky? Up to the other galaxies? Very far away, Put your hands together and bring them up very high. Count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after taking off, bring them down on your side in a cloud of smoke. Have you felt how you can breathe with the different parts of your lungs? Yes, I did. But what if I want to breathe with all of the parts? You can imagine that you are a tree that is growing. What? My feet are the roots? My body the trunk? Yes. With each breath, you bring your arms up, opening the chest. After 3 breaths, draw a big circle, or even better, a very leafy treetop, full of leaves and red apples. Yes! And with one big exhale, bring your arms down again and relax. Mom, I really enjoyed being a tree. And now, can I also be an animal? Why, let's see. How about an owl? Yes! Did you know that they can't move their eyes? So spin your head like they do. Breathe in while you look to each side, and breathe out when you bring your head back to the front. You can also try to imitate a cat. What does a cat do? It stretches out lazily. Try it. Then arch your back too. Breathe in while looking up, and breathe out while looking at the floor. To help stretch your back, you can also imagine you are a cobra. The venomous snakes that lift their heads up to attack? Exactly. Lie on the floor, and as you breathe in quietly, lift your body and your head up. Leaning on your heads, breathe as you go down. But Mommy, what if I want to fly? You can also be a crane that takes off on its flight very lightly. Balance on one foot first, then on the other, while you spread your wings out with elegance. Oh, it's hard to move like this. You can do it. Focus and breathe. Breathe in when you fly, and breathe out when you bring your arms down and to the front. Oh, look, Mommy, look, I can do it. But it's hard to loosen my back. All right. Stand up and imagine you are a bell. Swing your arms from side to side. Ding dong. Ding dong. Breathe out with each chime as you twist your body. Let your body be completely flexible. So that the bells ring, right, Mom? Yes. When the bell stops moving and goes quiet, place your palms on the front and back of your head. Calm down and concentrate while you gently breathe. Sometimes to breathe well, it's helpful to imagine a geometric shape like a square, a triangle, some stairs, or a high wall. Oh, can I also think of a mountain chain, Mom? That's it. Relax while you trace the line of mountains with your mind. Breathe in as you climb to the top. Breathe out as you go down to the valley. Did you know that you can also breathe with letters? Every sound makes a different part of your body vibrate. They're not all the same, Mom? No. The letter O strengthens the heart. The letter U echoes in the belly. Try it. O U. The letter E makes the neck vibrate. The letter I brings life to the head. And the letter A clears the lungs. Try them too. E I Mom, this all sounds nice, but there are still so many things that scare me. They feel like storm clouds that keep you from seeing the sky, right? Yes, Mom. How can I push them aside? Imagine that each one of those fears is like a dark cloud. Then you take a deep breath and blow, blow, blow. Feel the fears go away, giving way to a blue sky. When you are feeling nervous, your body is like a snow globe that's been shaken. All the glitter is fluttering around just like the thoughts in my head. Yeah, all the glitter is fluttering around just like the thoughts in my head, Mom. What happens to the glitter when you start to breathe deeply and hold the globe still? I know. It falls slowly down until it reaches the bottom. Yes. The water becomes clear and the glitter settles down, just like your thoughts inside of you, if you know how to calm down. Now, I've shown you lots of ways that moving and stretching your body can help you breathe. Imagining mountains or animals, blowing balloons or sailing boats, smelling roses or ringing bells, ding dong, launching rockets or growing like a tree. Thank you, Mom. Now I feel lighter than a cloud and not so heavy anymore. I have more space inside. There you go. You found your inner space just by breathing. Do these exercises anytime you feel nervous during the day. Pay attention for a moment to the air that comes in and out as you breathe. Thank you for everything you've helped me discover, Mom. Now I am very tired and I think I can sleep. Well, then go back to bed now. You'll sleep well tonight. Good night, kids. Sleep tight. And remember to dream again. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!